my channel. Today we are going to create another amazing design you can use for earrings or as pendants for your necklaces. You should know that creating designs for earrings or necklaces using polymer clay is boundless. So today, let's start by creating a peacock design for our earrings. If you noticed, I am choosing nude color scheme for my earrings today. But before we are going to start, let us condition our clay first by rolling it back and forth using our forefinger, or you can use a rolling pin in the process. Remember that when making anything using polymer clay, it is very important to condition our clay first. For the peacock's body, I'm choosing the paler one. Making the body is very simple. You just have to roll it into a ball with your forefinger. Then, on the side of the ball, roll it again until it forms like a cone. Make it thinner and longer so you can curve it because this will serve as your peacock's long neck and head. Then you just have to flatten this part like so, because this is where we are going to put our peacock's feathers later on. So for the feathers, you will begin by rolling out the other clays. So when you achieve the perfect thickness or thinness of your clay, cut them for at least an inch in length and then coil it. So you can do this process for the rest of the clay. Now I'm going to add flowers in the center of the feathers. So to do this, you have to roll out another clay again. So I'm choosing white and pink clay because I want my flowers to be these colors. So to simply create a flower, cut your clay for at least an inch in length and flatten it. Then roll it from the edge until it forms into a rose. Then pinch the bottom and cut the extra clay. You can now put it in the middle of the feathers. Do the same with the pink clay. You may also add another layer of feathers if you want to, just like this one. Then add extra details like these small balls that I made, just to make your design a little bit intricate. I'm also adding little flowers on my peacock design. The same process with the making of the big rose. Roll it out, cut it, and flatten it, and roll it from the edge with your finger. I know that these flowers are very tiny, but these add intricate details on your earring. This time I also put tiny white clay in the middle of the flowers. I also want to add leaves on my design, so I'm rolling out another clay again, and I'm going to use my leaf pattern, which I got from a necklace. So I'm just going to stamp it on my clay to create an impression. And after that, I'm going to cut it out. For the peacock's crest, you have to roll out another clay again, make it a little bit thinner, cut it, then coil it. You have to create 3 crest feathers for this earring design. For the eyes, create a tiny circle for the eye. Put the eye in place. So guys, this is now our peacock earring. So just repeat the process for the other pair. This is now ready to be baked at 100 degrees Celsius for at least 30 minutes. So now that we have finished baking our earrings, the next process is sanding it. So sanding is very necessary because it is a good way of getting rid of prominent fingerprints and scratches that we made while creating the earrings. For this process, you can use mesh pads or sandpaper if you do not have a mini electric sander like this. Now that it's clean and we have already sanded our earrings, we are now going to put a matte polish on it. It is actually a must-do in making any polymer accessories because it leaves a wonderful sheen on your creation. So polishing is really very important. Now that we have finished all the process, it's now time to connect the jump ring and the earring hooks. So this is now my peacock earrings, and I do hope that you like the design as much as I do. I know that the process is a little bit tedious, but it's worth it. It's all worth it. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please help my channel grow by clicking the subscribe button and the bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new DIY project. Thank you so much and have a nice day.